Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today we're going to look at a power steering pump leak on the 71 Comet that my brother has. Really can't see much under here because it's all black and wet from power steering fluid. Alright, gotta look right in there. My brother's going to start the car. I'm going to see if we can catch it leaking. So go ahead and start it, yeah. Dripped right on the camera lens. Power steering pump's got to come off and you start pulling bolts out. Got the pump out of there. Wasn't too bad actually. And it looks like it was leaking right out of this area. So I'm gonna maybe get a magnifying glass and check that out. Because if it's cracked, should be able to weld it. Can't see any cracks or obvious leaks. So we're gonna have to plug these two connections and then put fluid in it and watch it and find out where it's leaking. Gotta make it leak. So I put a bolt in the end of my drill with a 3/8 head on it. And I can stick that on the pulley and turn it. But if it builds up pressure, it's gonna pop that nipple off of there. I'm going to hold the nipple and I should be able to feel it build pressure. Yep. And it just made a mess, didn't it? Damn it. Alright, we moved outside. I put a hose on here. It's blocked off on the end. Hopefully that'll hold enough pressure to make it leak. And we went out here because if the hose pops off, it'll spray fluid outside and not in the garage. And you might not want to stand there. How about if we spray the camera instead?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be better. I'm going to try to watch down there though. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to go slower first.
Okay.
Building up pressure.
Yep. It's coming from the top of this. It's going like back.
Okay.
You know,
Have that light
I can see it.
coming from behind that nut.
Yeah. Yeah, right there. See it? And that's kind of.
Yeah. Okay, it looks like we found a leak. There's a big nut in there on this fitting, and it's leaking between the nut and the housing. I know there's a seal inside here, so we have to take everything apart and see what we can do about that. All right, got all the bolts out and the nuts off of here. This whole housing will pull off of the pump. And there should be a seal or gasket underneath there. We might have to get something on that lip and pound it.
Is there any kind of gasket on the other side of this?
Yeah, there's a big O-ring in there.
I was gonna say, because there's nothing leaking back here.
Yeah, there's.
Yeah.
Let's. Okay. Yeah, see that gasket split. There's your leak.
Oh yeah.
There's the problem. That gasket was split and the fluid was getting pushed past it and leaking. Now I gotta fix it. All right, we went up to O'Reilly and bought a drain plug, an M16 by 1.5, and we're gonna just use the washer from that if it fits. See if that washer is gonna fit the shaft there. Should slip right on because 5/8 and 16 millimeters are real close to the same.
Yep.
It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm going to clean this off real good and clean off the inside of that housing. And what I'll do is put some Right Stuff sealant on the washer. Put this all together on time-lapse, put it back in the car. Ready? Yep, start it up. I'm gonna check it for leaks. Okay, we started it up and I didn't see any leaks. So I think that's a success. Thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos and updates. Bye.